Alright, we're redoing the clutch on this 700 Suzuki King Quad. I don't know if you can get in there, but you can see how nasty and tore up she is. Chunks missing. She was definitely overheated and towing way more than she's supposed to be towing. Let me see if I can. Nope, can't get it, but it actually has grooves in here. And I don't have a lathe, so I'm going to show you guys my Hillbilly Lathe. Hand you off to my camera woman. So basically this part spins inside. So I'm going to cheat. Get my drill, put a bolt on the end of the shaft and get your sandpaper. Spin the shaft, sand it down. I don't know if you guys can see it in the camera or not. It's already 20 times better. I've done this a little bit. I just wanted to make sure I got it on the channel. But you can definitely, when you're doing it, you can see the grooves disappearing as you're sanding, and just move your finger back and forth a little bit with the paper, and it should tear it up. I'm assuming that that's supposed to be flat. I'm pretty sure it is, because the grooves in the clutch plates. So we're gonna continue on with that. I just figured I'd share. Anyone who don't have a lathe, this is one way to do it. Say thanks to the camera woman.